Hello friends, in this lecture we will see how to install Eclipse as a IDE for Selenium automation with Java. Okay, we need some IDE to write our code or program. So we will be installing Eclipse. So to install that, go to your browser and search for install Eclipse. So here go to the first link of site Eclipse and here in the Eclipse package or directly here click on this Windows this version because we are installing Eclipse on Windows. So it is nothing but Eclipse Java Development ID for developers. Okay, so I have downloaded this installer. It is around 120 MB something. In downloads, uh, check the properties. It is if blocked, unblock it, and the Windows 64-bit version. Run the installer, and if it asks any administrator credential which is privileged one and you don't have the permission to run any program on your machine, provide the same. So the Eclipse installer started installing the software on your Windows machine. In the Eclipse IDE we will be writing the Java code. Here Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, these are different versions of Eclipse, means for different targeted to different audiences, and our focus is Eclipse ID for Java developers. Click on it. It will be taking the Java from your JDK. Okay, and installation folder is uh, Eclipse Java. In this folder it will be installing. Create a start menu and desktop shortcut. Yes, install it. It will take some time to install successfully, so wait for the completion. Here we will be installing Eclipse and writing some basic program in Java to see that yes, Eclipse is successfully installed on our machine. Okay, so in Eclipse you need to create a workspace where your code will reside. So I will be using uh, for my code, let's say in my document folder. Okay, in my document folder uh, I will be creating a new folder for Tableau, um, Tableau automation. Name it as Tableau automation. Okay, this will be my Eclipse workspace. Now you launch the Eclipse. It is asking for workspace, so I am providing my this folder. Use this as a default workspace, and I am clicking on launch. Here, like the Eclipse projects will be stored. Here, the Eclipse is opened. Click close this welcome window. Here, create a Java project. Click on it. Create a Java project. Let's say project name. Uh, Project name is HR. Let's say we are doing some HR project. So HR project, and here I am doing uh, okay. Inside the workspace, it will be stored. Use execution environment. You can select Java version. I am using the Java from JDK 1.8, JDK 18 version, and use project folder as a root source of class files. Yes. Add project to working set. Yes. Module info.java file. No need. Next. This one. Finish it. Here a HR project is created and it is empty one. So here create a new package inside a Java project. First you need to create a package. Okay, let's say package name is attrition, and inside that create a new class, because in Java everything is inside a class, and create with main function. Name is like test. Okay, finish. So a test class is created. Here we have installed Eclipse and created a sample Java project. Okay, and just write system.out.println hello, and save it and run the same using this run test Java. We can see hello is printed. Okay, so we have successfully installed the Java in last lecture, and in this lecture we have installed successfully Eclipse, and we are successful in running a sample code. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this lecture.